I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be cooking frozen shrimp burgers in the air fryer. These are Trader Joe's shrimp burgers, but if you find the different brand of shrimp burgers, just cook them the same way, same instructions. No need to defrost, we are cooking shrimp burgers straight from frozen. So all we need to do is just open the package of frozen shrimp burgers. You can cook one or as many as fit in the air fryer in a single layer. The cooking instruction and the time will be the same. So let's open the air fryer basket, and I will remove the shrimp burgers from their packaging. So now frozen shrimp burgers are here in the air fryer, and we're going to put the basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 13 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these shrimp burgers. They look amazing. So nicely browned and perfectly cooked. I do recommend making sure that they are completely cooked through by using the instant read thermometer. When you put it in the middle of the burger, it should read at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Yeah, it's over 165, so they're totally cooked. But if yours are not, just put it back in the air fryer for a few more minutes at 400 degrees until they're ready. So let me take them out of the plate. Perfect. And look at these shrimp burgers. They look so good. So you can put them on a bun and make the actual burger, or you can just serve it as a patty like that. They're delicious either way. Let me now cut it so you can see what's inside and try it. So it's perfectly cooked inside. There's delicious pieces of shrimp in it. Looks so good. Perfect. It tastes amazing. You can taste this juicy, moist shrimp in every bite, and it's perfectly seasoned. So hot and delicious. You will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!